Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and I'm with Simone from Grubbs Family Dealerships.
Nice to meet you guys. How are you guys doing today?
He's been in a few videos already, but I'm not sure why he's saying that. So yeah, today we're gonna go for a drive in this 2024 BMW X5 xDrive40i. This is a beautiful spec. I'm gonna have a walk around of this video on my channel too, which you can check out. It's finished in Manhattan green metallic, really rare color. I've never seen that color before in person. This is the first time I've ever seen it, so really beautiful. This also has a cognac interior. What do you think of this in color combo?
Love it. I think the first thing that I actually noticed was the details.
Yeah, it's super nice, and this has like the 375 horsepower twin turbo inline six.
Yeah, you'll notice like whenever he does his walk around video, you'll see the like on the seats itself, like all the details that go within the seats. I think that's why I love BMW. It's small stuff that bring character.
Oh yeah.
To the car.
Yeah, use the 360-degree camera system. Put it in sport mode. You can change the cluster. Let's do a quick walk around. So yeah, here's Manhattan green metallic. Beautiful color. Very uncommon color. This is a very nice spec. You're not going to see this very often. And here's this is the facelifted model LCI, so you have the new taillight design. If you want to shop cool vehicles like this one, check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. Let's go for that drive. I guess brake hold is on. No, never mind. It's got the Harman Kardon sound system. I can't believe how nice Manhattan green looks. It's beautiful. And this vehicle seems to be really well optioned. I mean, it's not an M50i or an X5M, it's just a 40i M Sport, but with that color combo, this is definitely special order, or I think it was. I mean, you even have the extended merino leather dash. You can see the leather on the dash, and it's stitched. You can feel it, like it's soft. The dash, it's not made of plastic. I like the extended leather dash, it's cool. Now you want a unique BMW, this is definitely going to give you that. While it's not like an M car or anything like that, it looks like one. I mean, it's an M Sport, it's got the nice wheels and everything. It's a really beautiful SUV. I would love to have this car.
I will say, I think
and it's really quick.
Oh, it's super quick, yeah.
Yeah, it's not like the V8 either. It's just like, as I said, it's a 40i, but this 375 horsepower is it's a good number. It's a quick SUV. And this one's xDrive, as you can tell by the title of the vehicle, with the video, I mean.
I'm used to always having the climate controls down here.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it. I don't like iDrive 8. I have a 2021 M3 with iDrive 7, which I really prefer. Yeah. Because I don't like this. It's just because if I want to go change my AC, I have to press a button in the screen and then press another button to do that. It's just distracting because I'd rather just people hit a button down here. Yeah, I personally don't think it's necessary to do all this.
I will say the screen looks pretty cool looking.
Yeah,
that's sick. I mean,
yeah, the screen's really cool for sure. It does have that. But I just wish they kept the AC. There's no need to do this. I don't think anyone would have complained about having physical buttons, because the buttons are like high quality. Because they're like, metal buttons. It's not like plasticky or whatever. For driving, for like the way it drives, it's comfortable. Seats are really comfortable. Suspension is firm. Handles pretty well. This is an amazing daily driver. you have everything you can, you know, want from this car. It's awesome. But yeah, this one just has heated seats, no ventilated seats. Yeah, it's just really cool.
Feels like you're in a... I mean, for how... I mean, you mentioned it before, like how it handles, but for how big the car actually is.
Yeah,
like
it handles pretty well.
It sounds good too.
Look how quick the gear shifts are, it's awesome. I love BMW ZF8. You can never go wrong with it, it's amazing. Obviously there's a little bit of body roll as you saw there if you know, really push it, because as I said, this is not an X5M. So yeah, but for, you know, normal driving, it'll definitely give you whatever you need. Yeah, this is definitely one of the best spec X5s I've ever seen. That's for sure. Yeah. And you know, these 6-cylinder BMWs are pretty reliable. This motor has a good reputation. So yeah, you don't really have to worry about reliability either. It's pretty good. And you also have a BMW personal assistant. You could basically just have to give the car commands like navigate you somewhere, change the AC, all kinds of stuff like that. Yeah, I just think it's overall really, really nice in here.
It's more worth between getting this or getting the X5M? What do you think is more practical? I
mean, at the end of the day, like, the X5M is like twice the cost of this. It just depends on really what you want. I think the X5 M50i is a great middle ground. If I was getting new, I would get an X5 M50i that has, the X5M already has, it's like 600 something horsepower. It's so much. The X5 M50i is a monster though. Like, I don't need more than that personally. But if I were getting used, I would definitely consider a CPO X5M or something in the $70,000 to $80,000 range. So yeah, I mean, it's an awesome vehicle. So yeah. But yes, this is a very amazing X5 and very enjoyable to drive. Looks really good and has some cool features. But anyways, thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. Thanks again. I'm out.